So today, mi amiga from Bajio is showing me how to make homemade corn tortillas. Okay, we're gonna start with 2 cups of masa corn flour in a large bowl and then add some water. The water needs to be hot and it's 1.5 cups total, but you add it a little bit at a time. Now she's working it around with her hands. Add a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt, and work that in. You want the dough to be pliable and soft, but you don't want to overwork it. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit more water, but just a teaspoon at a time. So now take a little bit of dough and roll it into a ball. You can either weigh it to be an ounce or you can just make it golf ball size. Now the press. Put one of the dough balls inside the press with plastic on top and bottom. Press it down, turn it over, flip it, and press again. And then peel it off and put it on the griddle. The griddle should be nice and hot. And then you cook the tortilla on the first side for about 30 seconds, flip it, other side 30 seconds, and then keep them nice and hot until it's time to eat.